Here is the Yaesu FL-7000 amplifier. I'm now replacing the 7812 regulator. I've had to pull out the entire power supply, which wasn't too hard, and tilt it around kind of upside down, but I finally got access to the transistors that are on the back side and bottom of this thing. So here's one of the best 7812s that China makes from the Bojack parts bin. So I'm gonna put this in here and see if it works. Wish me all the luck in the world. There's the 7812 and the 7808. I'm not sure what they want 8 volts for, but they make 8 volts here, and 7812 goes there. The screw for these things was so tight, I couldn't get it off with a screwdriver, so I had to use these mini needle nose to grip the screw and take it off. That's how tight they were on from Japan. They make it to last. But if the part goes bad and you are trying to angle a screwdriver in here, heaven help you. I don't want to take this whole thing out just to replace the damn regulator. So that's, the more you take this apart, the more probability there is for error on your part. So try not to take things apart, just fix it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Yeah, I guess if these caps were bad, it would all come apart. I guess they're good. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.